Hello friends, welcome to this classes. I am Om Kumar Priye and today I am going to add two number in Java programming. Let's open Chrome browser and search their online Java compiler. When you search it, there are many Java compiler available there, but I will use GDB compiler because nowadays it is best. When you open it, that code will be appear. Now let me erase unnecessary part. I hope that you are familiar with this basic Java program. Now we have question that how to add two number in Java. For any programming, that means coding, firstly we have to think about input, then output, then logic. So we already know that here two input because we have to add only two number. So there is here fixed two variable. Now so I have create integer type variable, that's name in a and second variable name is b. I have name here a and b. You may take any name. Now for output we have need another variable, that means sum. Input is clear. Now think about output. For output we have to write here system.out.println. Whatever we have to print, we have to write inside the parenthesis. So here I would like to write the sum of two number is equal to, then write here plus symbol, then variable name of sum, here sum. This will be our output. Now think about logic. Then logic is very simple. Sum is equal to a plus b. Now logic is done. Come to input, that means integer type input a b. That means we have to take two input, then we have to need to declare a scanner variable. Why a scanner variable? Because we have to take input from user. A scanner and name here S. You can write name anything, but I have taken S. And for creating, use new a scanner inside parenthesis system.in. Now for a variable we have to take first input. So a is equal to an object of a scanner, here S, the S, then dot, then use next int. Why next int? Because we have to take int type of user input. So here I have write S dot next int. Same for variable b. So I copy paste here and then change b is equal to next int. Now for better way to presenting our code, I would like to here system.out.println and inside parenthesis please enter two number. Enter two number for add. Now when we run it, there show compiler error. See here, first error is cannot find symbol, that means a scanner not understood. That means our compiler can't understand what is a scanner this time. So we have to import Java file for it. Import Java dot util dot scanner. Now it import Java file. So now I think it would be run. One thing is missing here, and typing mistake. System.out is missing here. Now it runs safely. Enter two number for add. Now I am entering first one 11 and second is 72. Now I am going to press enter key, then output will be the sum of two number is 33. That means sum of 11 and 72. Now let's understood code line by line. Number first line, import java.util.scanner. For a scanner class, we have to write import java util.scanner. That means for compiler understood what is a scanner, so we have to write import java.util.scanner. Now line number 2 is pre-written code and 4 is already pre-written code. Number 5, we have to declare integer variable a and b. Now line number 6, a scanner class name object s, and for creating we have to use new a scanner inside parenthesis system.in. Line number 7, we have to write here system.out.println. Why? Whatever we want to print, we have to write here inside the parenthesis enter. Whatever you write here, it will be printed just like this. The output is enter two number for add. Enter two number for add. That means same thing is here printed. Now line number 8, a is equal to next int. When enter first number 11, it will assign, that means it will be included a is equal to 11 here. Same for b, when you enter 72 or any value, then b is assigned, b is taken that value. Now line number 10 is declare int sum. That means we have declare sum variable here, and 11 is sum is equal to a plus b. Why sum is equal to a plus b? Because we have to add a and b, and answer is in sum value. That means the value of sum is we have to assign in sum variable. So we have to write here sum. Now line number 12, system.out.println. The sum of two number is, see here output, the sum of two number is, same thing plus. Why have plus right here? It is concatenate in Java. so can connect it here, मतलब add here, and whatever add here, the sum, the value of sum, that means the sum value is 11 plus 12 is 33. I hope that you understood it and enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.